morning. I am up before the sunrise because I'm gonna try and get into the park and get a parking space. It's about 7 in the morning. Let's just see if we can do it. Hoping for the best. Then I'll make breakfast and get ready for the day. I'm tired. It looks like. Oh, there's deer right there. Hi. The one's so little and cute. It is still really early in the morning. It's like 7:30. I made it. I found a I made it and I found a parking spot. That was number one on my goals list, was to get a parking spot this morning so I don't have to pay $15 to hang out in the park today. Yesterday it was a bit stressful to fit an 80-minute tour in a 2-hour parking block. Like, and I didn't even make it onto the bus until a half an hour into it. So yeah, 90 minutes for an 80-minute tour. And I even hopped buses so that I could get back out of the park quicker. But today on the schedule is to get my Junior Ranger pass, or to get my Junior Ranger badge, and then hike up Angel's Landing. I am super excited to be doing that. I was looking at videos last night of Zion, and Angel's Landing apparently is like a really intense trail, if you've ever heard of it. So, and I was learning all sorts of facts about Zion National Park. So on today's agenda is hiking up Angel's Landing, and it is considered one of the most strenuous and scariest trails in the national park system. I guess like 5 people have passed away, fallen off the edge of it while hiking. So we're not going to do that today. We're going to have a good time and see all the views. It's pretty windy right now, but the ranger said that I should be fine on that trail and that there's thermal winds in the morning, so nothing to worry about. I need to eat something now, and then we'll go do some stuff.
Our words and images tell the world why landscapes like these must be enjoyed, but also why they must be... Yep. Thank you.
Okay, it's on the other side of the road.
Don't jump! Don't jump!
Don't jump!
Don't lean over!
Don't look! Don't look! No selfies right now. This is not the selfie part of the trip.
This is quite high. Don't jump. You're gonna die.
They only said 1,000-foot drop on either side. Only 1,000 feet.
The funny thing is the first 2 miles are just paved.
Yeah.
Oh yeah. Well,
so there's only
that's fine.
3.2 miles left.
Well, and that's split in half.
Yeah.
Half up, half down.
So it's really easy.
That's it.
Yeah.
Angel's Landing. That is Angel's
I can take
Landing.
pictures of you.
Yeah.
We're just leaving a message and you just, we know her!
We know. Do you guys
real junior park ranger.
That's us.
her. That's you.
We're gonna die. But to do. Is it filming?
Yes.
Yep. Oh, this is awkward.
A little bit.
Yeah, but probably you can tell who are those ants on the mountain. Or
ants.
you don't ants.
People.
They look like ants.
People
Oh,
on a mission.
we'll go up there. Angel's Landing.
Yes.
Oh,
We're going up Angel's Landing.
yep. Prepare to die.
With Esther and Walter.
Yep. Oh. We're from Holland.
Oh, it's pretty steep.
think it is, but we got 21.
Because I couldn't do it. It's because some other people were.
I don't know if I'm halfway up or what, but it is getting really steep, as you can see. Yeah, you're watching me.
Yeah, like 10,000 other people.
Not right
We
now.
watch you directly.
Look at this view.
Just point on the view.
Oh my gosh. These zigzags. Oh wow. We still got 0.5 miles. Oh, it's up there.
There. Oh.
That's where we're going. Whoa!
Oh.
Oh,
Promise.
there's the...
Don't be the 10th.
Yeah, don't be the 10th. I think the tree is stopping me.
Yeah, what comes up must go down.
Wow. This seems like a lot of fun. This is the line to go over to the edge, which is way up there.
I think they just tell people that maybe it's not wise to go up.
They did on the bus, remember? They said we were gonna die.
Yeah, we'll die, yeah. No, you're right. People ignore it.
It's very congested up here. But the views are great.
They said it. Oh, he made it too.
There's tons of them. They're looking for snacks.
Look at this yuck.
Made it to the top. Okay.
I love their Kyle told me that Aaron told him that Nikes were a garbage running shoe.
Yeah, in high school they were.
We had this whole debate because I was like, I'm buying these, and Kyle's like, don't buy these.
I'm gonna go fall now.
Oh, I got someone.
I love how we turn around like we'd be able to catch you.
That's where we hiked all the way out to the edge.
Boven dacht ik dat er maar...
So I just got done with the hike and I'm back at my van and I said goodbye to my friends. They're really awesome. It was Esther and Walter and they're from Holland. We had a good hike together, just getting to know each other, and now I'm getting ready to head back to my campsite. It's kind of like hot right now, so I don't have a whole lot of shade at my spot. We'll see how it goes. Angel's Landing was an intense hike, and if I was the only one on the trail, I'd say it was like a pretty intense hike, but the amount of people that are also hiking with you makes it super difficult to do, because you're kind of just like weaving and waiting, a lot of waiting, and people are getting really pushy and bossy, and it wasn't fun. It is a Saturday, it is a warm day, so those two things means a lot of people are there. We made it through, made it all the way to the top, and then went a little bit up the West Rim Trail. It's about 2:30 right now, and we started around 9:30. I think we started the trail, so I'd say, they say 4 hours, and I'd say, yeah, 4 hours is about right. But super cool. I'd encourage it for anybody who's not afraid of heights and just wants to have a good strenuous hike. All right, now I'm gonna go hang out and relax the rest of the day. Like my badge, I'm official Junior Ranger. You can't camp along this wooden thing here, but down here the road tees, and I just go down that way, and there's a spot before you hit private property again. There's some people camped out here. Yodi. Yeah, that's really cool.
How many people come driving down this road?
Well, here's to me thinking I didn't get sunburned. Oh my gosh. I am making some hot water on the stove right now so that I can have noodles for dinner, and I just got done hanging out with some friends who live nearby, so it was really nice to catch up with them. We talked for a long time, so now I'm just getting ready for bed, and tomorrow morning I'll take off for the Grand Canyon, the North Rim. So stay tuned for tomorrow's video. I hope you enjoyed my hike up Angel's Landing. I had a really good time with Walter and Esther, and hey guys, I hope you're watching this, and thank you again. I'll see you in the next vlog. Bye. Stay curious.